Welcome back to the channel. Sue and Brian here. We're at London's Heathrow Airport, just arrived now through customs. Very smooth, and on our way to catch the bus. It's the National Express bus that we will be taking out to the Port of Southampton. This is Terminal 3. You can also catch the National Express bus at Terminal 5. The hotel, fully refreshed. We've stayed here before, right next to the port. This is a tradition. We always dine at Mike's Fish and Chips when we are at Southampton the day before the cruise. Time to walk off those calories after fish and chips at Mike's and see some of the sights close by. The Westquay Mall is right next to the hotel, a great location to pick up any amenities that you may need. So here we are the next morning, waking up to that beautiful British sunshine, and our ship is off in the distance there, the marina. Time to make the walk to the port. As we mentioned, the hotel is right next to the port. Luckily, the gate was open this morning, so we were able to walk right through, taking our luggage with us, of course. And here we go. We're on our way to the marina. Quiet in the port this morning, a quiet walk. I suppose a lot of people are taking taxis and buses to get to the ship this morning. Getting closer and closer to the marina. There she is. Finally, we've arrived at the terminal. Boarding and check-in goes very, very smoothly. We are through security in no time. There's some marina staff ready to greet us already this morning and welcome us on board as we make our way to the gangway. The marina, she will sail with about 1,200 passengers. Small ship cruising, and one of the advantages of sailing on a smaller ship, of course, is the check-in process. This part of the trip, it goes much, much quicker with fewer passengers. We've made it on board.
We are in cabin 8019, balcony cabin. We won't describe every nook and cranny, but let's check it out. It comes with a mini fridge replenished daily. Sodas, juices, specialty coffees and teas are all included on Oceania. Our steward also refreshes our water daily. Oceania offers Vero water, which is a proprietary still and sparkling water that is purified, chilled, filled, and served on premise from a proprietary system designed to eliminate plastic bottles. The cabin offers lots of storage space, a super comfy bed, sofa, and desk. How lovely, a bottle of champagne. Plush bathrobes with the Oceania logo. And this time for us, the bathroom features a bathtub.
Let's check out the ship. Here's a lovely frame photo of the godmother of the ship, Mary Hart. Oceania offers 4 specialty restaurants on board, which are all included in your cruise fare. During the course of our 12-day cruise, we tried out each one, and they lived up to their reputations. Great food and great service. The Terrace Cafe, Oceania's buffet restaurant, serves up a variety of dishes, including regional cuisine. And let's not forget the daily choice of ice cream and sorbet. Located next to each other, the card room and the library, where you'll also find baristas for your specialty coffee. Before and after dinner, the lounges are busy serving up cocktails. If you don't have the drink package, no worries. Oceania does offer 2 happy hours in the evening. Marina offers a small casino, and we did see people making their contribution.
Cooking classes in the Culinary Center are a signature offer with Oceania Cruises, and each class during our cruise was sold out. The outside decks offer some of the usual features you would find on a cruise ship of this size. Of course, no water slides or rock climbing here. On sunny days, guests enjoyed the pool and hot tubs. There were always lounge chairs available, and it was never crowded. At the front of the ship is the Horizons Lounge, offering those beautiful sea views. Each afternoon, Horizon also hosted the afternoon tea. When you come back to your cabin to retire for the evening, a chocolate awaits. Not something you see on most cruise ships anymore.
After an overnight in Southampton, time to let go the lines and sail away. Soon we are out of the safety of the Southampton harbor and sailing through some rougher seas. However, the skies did eventually clear, and we ended this day with calmer seas and a beautiful sunset.
Join us as we'll be visiting such places as Bordeaux, Bilbao, Coruna, Porto, Lisbon, Alicante, and Valencia. Subscribe now so you'll be notified when these videos are released. As always, we appreciate it when you hit like and comment. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.